pandemic, everybody is being extra cautious, cleaning up, sanitizing more than usual. Here I present you a budget-friendly wet and dry vacuum cleaner from Agaro. This is Lolita and let's cut to the chase. Agaro Ace is 1600 watt 21.5 kPa suction power with 21 liters of wet and dry stainless steel vacuum cleaner with blower function. It has a reusable dust bag and jumbo steel jar. No hassle of emptying the bin repeatedly. It weighs 7.2 kilograms but still feels light. Let's look at the basic setup. It has a sealed control switch for safe functioning. Insert the blower into the groove, apply pressure and rotate it clockwise to lock, and to remove, rotate it anti-clockwise. Similarly, insert the hose pipe into the suction inlet, apply pressure and rotate it clockwise to lock it, and to remove, rotate it anti-clockwise. There are 4 360-degree swivel wheels for easy mobility. I wish this cap was covered up, but now it collects the dust. Not a great design. The first attachment is extendable metal tube which extends up to 2 meters. Push the button forward and pull out the extendable tube for the required length. It has these ridges for better locking. This attachment is connected to the suction hose pipe. It's disappointing that even with this extension tube you can't really vacuum the ceiling. The next attachment is crevice nozzle. It's suitable to vacuum tight spaces. The next attachment is multi-purpose brush. It's suitable to vacuum small to medium sized area. Adjust the air power on the handle to adjust the suction. The next attachment is the carpet brush. This brush is ideal for cleaning the dust on the hard floor or the carpet. There is an option to toggle the bristles on this brush for better cleaning. It has 2 tiny wheels and a rubber blade for smooth operation. You're using the extension tube here. Use any old toothbrush to clean it. Lift the latch up on both the sides and remove the top lid. You can easily remove this, and here this filter, you can see there's a dust. Gotta clean this also. This valve stops the water and dust from entering the motor. So let me put this back on. Latch on the protective mesh. Now let's clean the blower filter. At least once in 2 months, clean the sponge filter that is placed inside the blower. Rinse it with some soap and water. Once you're done, put it back on. Let's clean the barrel and the dust bag. Wiggle the dust bag inside the barrel. The best part of this vacuum cleaner is that the finest particle of dust is collected. Dust out the rest, or you can use soap and water to clean the dust bag. I'm using an old paintbrush to clean it. Next, I'm using a microfiber cloth to clean it up. Once you have cleaned the dust bag, put it back in place and latch it up. This attachment is used for wet cleaning. It has 2 tiny wheels and 2 rubber blades. This brush cleans wet spills effectively. This tub at least has 2 liters of water, and I'm using it at low suction. The vacuumed water is collected in the barrel. Have to use the blower. Remove the blower and replace it with the hose pipe. Connect the blower to the suction hose and remove the dust bag. Power cord is 5 meters long and it has 16 amp plug. It's an all-purpose vacuum cleaner. It has 1 year manufacturer's warranty. This machine is ideal for home use and it cost 5,200 rupees on Amazon. You may find the product link in the description. Also, this is not a promotional video. There are a few drawbacks. Let me list them out. There is no automatic cord winder, no dust bag full indicator, cannot control the speed. I hope you found this video helpful. Do check out other product review videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.